Today, November 20, 2023, 5 investors betting big on NIO stock. Institutional investors were net sellers of NIO stock during third quarter. 13F filers owned 407.32 million shares of NIO stock as of the third quarter, down about 15% compared to second quarter. Abu Dhabi's CYVN Investments remains the largest shareholder of the company with ownership of 124.83 million shares. Other shareholders include Tencent and BlackRock. It hasn't exactly been a memorable year for shareholders of NIO, NIO, stock, as shares of the Chinese electric vehicle company have shed about 18% year to date. This has been a result of price wars with competitors, the company's unprofitability status and competition from other EV companies. During October, the company delivered 16,074 vehicles, up by 59.8% year-over-year. That brought the EV firm's total year-to-date deliveries to 126,067 vehicles, up by 36.3% year-over-year. Earlier this month, NIO announced that it would lay off about 10% of its workforce, citing efficiency and cost-cutting objectives. The company also disclosed that it would delay or wind down projects that are not expected to contribute to financial performance in the next 3 years. This is a tough but necessary decision against the fierce competition, said NIO. These layoffs have led to speculation that NIO could be experiencing issues that may eventually lead to it going out of business. Co-founder and President Qin Lihong sought to put an end to these rumors by providing this statement at the Guangzhou Auto Show. NIO will not go out of business, and there is absolutely no possibility of it going out of business. Please feel assured to experience and buy NIO's cars. 5 investors betting big on NIO stock. Tracking institutional ownership is important, as these large investors provide liquidity and support for stocks. During third quarter, 446 13F filers disclosed a stake in NIO stock, a decline of 15 filers from the prior quarter. In total, these filers own 407.32 million shares of NIO, marking a stark decline of 14.95% compared to the second quarter figure of 478.90 million shares. From these numbers, it doesn't appear as if institutional interest in NIO stock picked up during third quarter. While institutional ownership decreased, the put-to-call ratio increased to 1.2 at the end of third quarter, up from 0.9. That's equivalent to 54.39 million puts and 45.41 million calls, implying a bearish option stance. With that in mind, let's take a look at NIO's largest shareholders. 1. CYVN Investments, 124.83 million shares. CYVN's stake is accurate as of July 12, 2023. 2. Tencent Holdings, 124.11 million shares. Tencent's stake is accurate as of June 20, 2023. 3. Baillie Gifford, 114.90 million shares. Baillie sold 4.55 million shares during third quarter. 4. BlackRock, 64 million shares. BlackRock sold 2.78 million shares during third quarter. 5. State Street, 21.03 million shares. State Street sold 3.23 million shares during third quarter.